My hands are getting cold.
Yeah.
Walk the truck.
The problem with these, they're warm, but I don't get anything from the heated grips through them.
Well, that's why I like these, because they get...
Yeah.
They trap the heat.
Yep.
Well, did you forget anything? Not yet, eh? How's it going, Kira?
Good, you?
Good. How you doing, Bill? Good, good. They're missing trails like this in Western Ontario.
Yeah.
Like, well, as you know, in the West, it's all fields.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Yeah.
some trails in the woods, but they don't have anything like this.
No. Same for biking.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's our swamp right there.
Yeah. Trail's in pretty good shape, eh?
Yeah, it is actually.
Ice fall.
Ice walls. Oh, okay. Photo op. Nice and clear. Uh-oh, are they stuck?
Yeah, he's stuck. I would say.
There's Murray. How's it going? Yeah. How are ya?
Just saying to Jeff how I missed listening to you wheezing and breathing and grunting.
What did you guys do? Did you go around the maze a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. You going?
Yeah, we're gonna follow you down the lake.
Oh, okay. This is that rail bed that the Heritage Trail is on.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Imagine there'll be a pile of snowmobiles here at the Granite.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
You want to get a spot, I guess? What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
That used to be the trail to the gas station.
Not anymore.
No, no trespassing. That's no good.
I mean, we can go down the side of the road from up here.
Yeah.
I've done it before.
But isn't there, I think if we go back on the rail bed a bit, there's a gas station.
Yeah, so that's the gas station we want to go to.
Yeah.
Either that or we have to go back into Bancroft.
You have to go to the other side and then come down.
Yeah, see there's a trail that cuts across here and comes out here.
Is there gas at that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
985?
Yeah.
Where is that? I'm trying to think.
That was right back here.
Okay. liters.
22.78.
Yeah, the trail we used to take to the other gas station off 62 was closed.
Yeah.
So. Hey, we're all good? Yeah. Get cleaned off.
Jeez.
Rocky.
Rocks slow you down.
Sure do.
Hate that sound.
Yeah, me too. Sure, it sounds worse than it actually is, but...
Oh, yeah.
You was at the store. That's nice.
This is nice here.
I like that 962 trail that comes down there too.
Yeah.
From the ice fall down.
Yeah.
I'm glad I waited and didn't come up last weekend though. That would have been, without the snow, I mean that's thin as it is.
Oh, yeah, it needs more. A lot more.
The roads aren't bad, but as soon as you get into the...
Yeah, the roads are fine.
The bush trails.
Hey, sorry.
If you guys want to zip ahead, go ahead there.
Oh, there are turns up here, eh, for the lake?
Yeah, I think it's the last stretch there.
Yeah.